Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I just thought I'd do a little yarn haul with you today. It's just a quick video, and I have got videos where I'm actually making things in the pipeline, so bear with me, they'll be out soon. I just want to show this because it's an absolute bargain. If you've not noticed, these are all from Love Crochet, and you're not going to believe how much this cost me. You're really not. But these, I needed some creative cotton, which this is the Rico Creative Cotton Aran. This is $1.89 a ball. This is reduced at the moment on, they've got a massive sale on Love Crochet. This is reduced, I think it's supposed to be £2 something a ball. There's 85 metres in this, it's 50 grams, and it's suitable for all sorts of projects. I just got the white, I just got 4 balls of that, so that's $1.89 per ball. If you've seen that I do big and little crochet, I'm pretty sure this is what they use for that. Not 100%, but I'm pretty sure. And then while I was looking, because that's what I needed for a specific project, while I was looking, I spotted this. Patterns Baby Smiles Fairy Tale Fab 4-ply. Now, if you can see the difference between the Creative Cotton Aran, but this is about the same as a DK, and I got it in 4 different shades of pinks and purples. So I went from the pink, it might feel a little bit less than a DK, it feels a bit more like a sport, a cross between sport wear, you know, between a sport weight and a DK. I got it in this lovely shade of pale pink, which is 01033. It hasn't got a name. And then I got this sort of berry colour, rich berry colour, which is shade 0137. And then they're all the same, even though some of them look bigger than the others. I think they've just got squashed in the in transit. And then there's this more plummy colour, which this is shade 01049, Patterns Baby Smiles, and it's super soft. It's absolutely lovely. It's perfect for a 3.25mm hook. I'll probably use a 3 or a 3.5 for my project. I'm going to make something really cute with this, which you will see me doing. And do you know how much this was? You won't believe it. Seriously, you won't believe it. 51p. 51p a bundle. I mean, I got 4 of each colour, so that's 12 balls for £6, 12 pence. £6, 12 pence. If that's not amazing, I don't know what is. I don't know if they've still got it on offer, but they've definitely got others on offer there's some really good bargains to be had on there at the minute. I could have spent a lot more, believe me, I was very restrained. And then I gave my craft room a sorting out, and I found that I have lots of colours very similar to this. So I'm going to have to, yeah, I'm going to start using up some of my yarn, I think, and really start working on some projects leading up to Christmas. But I just wanted to share that with you because I just thought that was an absolute bargain. 51 pence. And I think the whole thing cost me £11. That was including postage. And it comes in these gorgeous organza bags. And it came, I ordered it about 12 o'clock one day, and it was here at 11 o'clock the next. And I didn't even pay for next day delivery. So, yeah, bargain. So get over to Love Crochet and pick yourself up a bargain. Also on there, they've got some lovely free patterns at the moment, and the ones I've looked at are fantastic. They tell you, you know, which yarns you need and everything, and some of those yarns as well are on special offer. So yeah, go and grab yourself a bargain. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you soon for an actual project. Take care. Bye bye.